I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account and device essentials so nothing upstream blocks subtitles. Sign into the correct profile, then open Netflix on a supported app or an updated browser. Outdated clients often omit subtitle options. Once done, restart the app or device to clear temporary glitches and play a different show to confirm subtitles are absent systemically rather than title-specific. If subtitles appear elsewhere, you know the problem is tied to that episode or language track, which directs the next. Now you dive into subtitle settings to force correct rendering. During playback, open the Audio and Subtitles menu and explicitly pick your desired language track. Sometimes auto-pick fails. Make sure captions are toggled on, then exit and re-enter playback so Netflix reapplies the selection. If appearance hides text, go to Account Subtitle Appearance to set font, size, and color. This forces visibility across devices. Once applied, test the same title again. If still broken, it indicates a deeper app or cache issue. Finish by eliminating corruption and escalating when needed. Clear the app cache or browser cookies and reload Netflix. Cached bad data often blocks subtitle tracks. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the app or apply pending OS updates because file corruption can break subtitle rendering. If subtitles remain absent, collect the title, timecode, device, and language, then report using Netflix's help call or send diagnostics so engineers receive logs. One key tip: test on a second device before reporting to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.